Students, today we are discussing about in 6th chapter exercise 6.2. In the third problem we are discussing. Once I will read the question. In this diagram, if LM parallel to CB, LM parallel to CB and LN parallel to CD, prove that AM by MB is equal to AN by ND. AM by AD, sorry. AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. We have to prove. Now for this, first we have to write it. Here two triangles are there. What are the triangles? ABC and ADC. In triangle, first of all I am taking the upper triangle. In triangle ABC, LM is parallel to BC. LM is parallel to BC. In basic proportionality theorem, what is the basic proportionality theorem? If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, what will happen? Then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Nothing but then AM by MB is equal to AL by LC. By which theorem we written here? By basic proportionality theorem we written. What is that? If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, this LM is the line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle BC, then the other two sides, what are the other two sides here? AB and AC are divided in the same ratio. In the same ratio by BPT. By BPT. This is equation 1. Okay. Now, in the same way, down one more triangle is there. What is the triangle? In triangle ADC. ADC. What is the parallel line here? LN is parallel to CD. LN is parallel to CD. What we can write here? Same basic proportionality theorem we can apply in the down triangle also. AL by LC is equal to AL by LC is equal to AN by ND. This is the equation. Okay. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, what we can write here? What we observed here? Yes. In the first equation, RHS is equal to the LHS of the second equation, which means these two are equal. Indirectly, what we can write here? AM by MB is equal to AN by ND we can write. Therefore, from 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, what we can write here? AM by MB is equal to AN by ND. From 1 and 2 we written here. In the same way, what we can write by using these two? MB by AM. MB by AM is equal to ND by AN also equal. ND by AN also equal. AM by MB is equal to AN by ND. In the same way, MB by AM is equal to ND by AN. ND by what we got here? MB by AM is equal to ND by AN. Now we are adding 1 on both sides. Add 1 on both sides. You add 1 on both sides. What will happen if you add 1? See. MB by AM plus 1. ND by AN plus 1. We are adding 1 on both sides. Afterwards, what should do? You have to take the LCM. AM MB plus, here 1 is 1 by 1 only, no. Now AM will go here. 1 into AM. In the same way, RHS what will happen? AM is the LCM. ND plus, what will happen? 1 is 1 by 1 only, no. Now AN will come here. Now see that from the diagram, MB plus AM. MB plus AM. Total side how much? AB will come. AB by AM is equal to ND plus AN. Both what is the length here? AD. AD by AN. Okay. Now this only we got or not? AB by AM. Now what we have got here? AB by AM is equal to AD by AM. Before we reversed this one now. Now again we have to reverse this one. What is that? AM by AB is equal to AN by what one? AD. Now this is the one what we have to prove. Hence prove. So here nothing we did. What we did here? Just they given a hint here in the question. What is that? A line is parallel to one side of a triangle. LM is parallel to BC they given, and LN is parallel to CD they given. By using this is the hint for basic proportionality theorem. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. By using that theorem, we proved here AM by AB is equal to AL by LC. In the same way, down one more triangle is there ADC here. In the same way, LN is parallel to CD. Then the other two sides, what are the other two sides? I written here. See, AL by LC is equal to AN by ND. If I written here, first one you have to make it equation 1, second one make it equation 2. In these two equations, what we observed here, the RHS of this equation. Then both equations you have to make it equal. Now this LHS is equal to this RHS. AM by MB is equal to AN by ND. Now we have to, by component and dividend rule, we have to reverse to that one. MB by AM is equal to ND by AN. Okay. Now for this, add 1 on both sides. I added 1 here. Here 1 I added and here 1 I added. See. Afterwards I taken LCM here. MB plus AM came. MB plus AM is nothing but total length of the side AB by AM. ND plus AN came here. ND plus AN. What is that one? ND plus AM? Total AD. AD by AN. Okay. First, before we reverse it, this one now. Again we have to make it reverse. AM by MB is equal to AN by AD. Nothing but what we have to prove. This is the correct equation what we got here. Hence proved. This is the condition we have to prove.